Africa Content TV.
This institution is set to cultivate a new generation of leaders equipped with necessary skills to excel in political, diplomatic, and community leadership. Baba has been a blessing to many. He championed the Ijebu Development Board on poverty eradication that has become a model all over the country. In church last Sunday and today, we've had several testimonies from both the bishop and even the VC and others about Baba's benevolence. I am privileged to call Baba my father. When I was in hospital in the UK following an accident, as I resided in church last Sunday, Baba would come and sit with me by my bedside to encourage me. I am and I remain eternally indebted to Baba for the open and staunch support for me in the course of my journey to government house. Kabiesi, once again I thank you. I also thank you, Kabiesi, for your unwavering support for me and my administration. As a token of my appreciation, as soon as I assumed office, I immediately embarked on the reconstruction of the Ijebu-Ode-Ekpe Road, which I had promised him, knowing how much that road means to him. It was our first major road project. I also renamed the Taisholari College of Education after him. It's now known as the Obasikiru Adetono College of Science and Technology, Umu. On Kabiesi's prompting, I sent a bill to the Ogun State House of Assembly to review the Obas and Traditional Council laws of Ogun State, which, amongst others, now allows our Kabiesis to be buried as they wish. This bill was Kabiesi's initiative and his desire for many years. This bill was passed into law and we signed it at Awujale's palace. I have made a commitment that our permanent secretaries in Ogun State will be the first set of students that will come here to benefit from Kabiesi's School of Governance. I have also further made a case to Mr. President for this institute to become an affiliate of the Institute of Public Service at Governance in Kuru. Baba's memory, we all know, is elephantine. Many of us spend time drinking from his wealth of wisdom as he recounts his journey of life with exact day and date. Baba is a loving husband to his oloris, doting and giving father to his biological children, and many of us, his and his grandchildren. Baba's life is a tapestry of impacts in all spheres of human endeavor. Baba is a champion, he's a leader, he's a conqueror. His excellent, remarkable service to his people and country is exemplary. We salute this living legend and our great and admirable monarch has continued to represent the totality of what the Ijebu stand for. I want to appreciate the planning committee led by Dr. Hassan and all others who have made this event the huge success that it is. I also want to appreciate the council and management of Olabisi Onabanjo University for sustaining the dreams of the founding fathers of this great citadel of learning. Kabiesi, on behalf of my family, the good people and government of your great state, I wish you many, many more years of celebrations. May the Almighty continue to answer all your prayers, particularly your prayers on all of us. May you continue to fulfill your destiny while seeing your children and your children's children flourish in good health. Kabiesi, Adi Akpelori, Bata Akpelese, Irukere, Akpolafi, Olori Amashi Etowo. I want to thank all those that have come from far and near to be part of this auspicious celebration. May the Almighty God grant all of us the grace to live to be at least 90, as well as journey masses back to your various destinations. Thank you all for listening to me, and God bless you. Gbenga Daniel.
Thank you very much. Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, an announcement please. Very shortly, we'll be having the speech of the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria to be delivered by his amiable deputy. Immediately after that speech, we're going to have the national anthem